That plant currently employs well over 1,000 people in my constituency. It is not connected to any sort of a war machine, and it is not connected into any sort of Russian empire.
Aughinish Alumina is a massive industrial plant on the banks of the Shannon Estuary in County Limerick.
In 1978, with the gorse cleared from the land, the stony ground was prepared for construction.
Using bauxite mined in Guinea and Brazil, it manufactures alumina, which is the raw material needed to make aluminium. The plant is an Irish industrial success story, employing hundreds of people in the region and contributing millions to the local economy. But it has also had its fair share of controversy, especially since the plant was taken over by the Russian metals giant Rusal in 2007. Rusal is a key strategic asset for Moscow. Using alumina made in Ireland, it produces hundreds of thousands of tons of aluminium for Russian industry every year. To date, the Irish government has denied Irish-made alumina is making its way into the Russian military industry and by extension to the front lines in Ukraine. However, an investigation from the Irish Times and the Organised Crime and Corruption Reporting Project has established that vast amounts of alumina from Aughinish are being smelted into aluminium in Rusal smelters before being sold on to a Moscow-based aluminium trading company with deep links to the Russian military complex. Using leaked financial records, we can show that this trading company then sells aluminium to the Russian defence sector. We identified 107 customers with military contracts from the Russian state. 40 of these are subject to EU sanctions. The companies make everything from bombers to cruise missiles to tanks and artillery, all of which have been heavily used in the war in Ukraine. The Irish government and Aughinish point out, correctly, that exporting alumina to Russia is not illegal. Aughinish states its product is a basic commodity that is vital for countless civilian industries and that it operates in strict compliance with all regulations.